So this is a brand new feature for 2023 available on all Fuzion and Impact models. This is our Fuzion Convertible Garage Bar, and this is a really special option available because it really highlights what we're doing at Fuzion and the thought that we have behind what we're putting out there. There's a lot of updates that we've done to this floor plan and to all Fuzion models, but this one I'm such a fan of because this was just for fun. This really highlights the way we think about our buyers. We know that they're out there for a good time when they're camping. This also really, it's attractive to the toy hauler buyers because they love functionality within their camper. So this bar that I'm sitting at is also a queen bed, so you gain so much more functionality with this in your camper. It folds completely flat. It stores up underneath your HappiJac bed, giving you over 79 inches of clearance still, so you can pull whatever side-by-side or lifted golf cart in your garage, just like you've always been used to with a Fuzion product. And this is a really special new available option for us at Fuzion and Impact.
Setup of the Fuzion Convertible Bar is extremely simple. Simply lower the two bunks with the switch located underneath the overhead cabinet, remove the 4 collapsible bar stools, detach the 4 pins that hold the bar into place, and when you're ready to convert from the bed into the bar, raise both sides and simply clip into place. The bar top is fastened and secured with a clip hidden underneath. Teardown of the Fuzion Convertible Bar is just as simple. Simply detach the bar top and stow in the secured place. Release the clips, allowing the bar to fold into the bed position. Align underneath the top bunk and lower the bunk on top of the bar. Once you replace the 4 pins, the bar is able to be lifted up and out of way.
So thanks for checking out my Fuzion Convertible Garage Bar with me. Like I said, this is such a fun option that's now available on all Fuzion and Impact floor plans. Make sure that you like and subscribe us on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please visit us at KeystoneRV.com.